You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Israeli self-defense system, or you could call it a martial art from Israel. The pronunciation is as Krav Maga. Krav, pretty straightforward, right? Krav Maga. Krav Maga. It's easy once you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Remember, Krav Maga. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.